channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. Today I'm going to make a drink. It's called peanut punch. In Jamaica this is considered an energy drink. It's strong back drink for the men mostly, if you know what I mean. Here are my ingredients: peanuts, oats, Guinness, vanilla nutrament, sweet condensed milk, vanilla extract, nutmeg, mixed spice, and ground cinnamon. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm basically going to add all my ingredients to the blender except for the sweet condensed milk. Just a little dash of the cinnamon. And basically I'm just going to blend it until it's nice and smooth. Stay tuned. Okay guys, let's check it out. It's nice and smooth. So now I'm going to add some milk to it and let it blend some more. I have an open can of milk, so I'm going to use that much for now. Okay? And I'm just going to let it blend some more. Stay tuned. Okay guys, let's check it out. Oh, look at that. It's nice and smooth. And I'm gonna give it a taste. It could use some more milk, so I'm gonna add a little bit more milk to it. You just sweeten this to your liking, okay? So I'm gonna add a little more milk. Stay tuned. Here it is guys, my delicious peanut punch. I hope you guys will give this recipe a try. Let me know if you like it. And until next time, I thank you guys for watching. Be kind to others. One love.